Hello, it is day 3 of Living a Bigger Life, my online video journal, and I have been knocked on my behind by a nasty cold. Done very, very little, so what's my lesson for today? My lesson for today is sometimes living a larger life means taking a step back, chilling out and taking care of yourself, which is really all I've been doing today. Getting a little knitting done, Christmas presents coming up in a couple of days, catching up on some Netflix shows, and just relaxing and taking care of myself. So, self-care. Go day 3, go bigger life.